Hello guys, we have just left the Ramnagar station and the passengers who are also traveling with us, they gave us information that Digha is the next station to Ramnagar. So literally we are approaching Digha in a few minutes and I am so excited. Digha, we are coming. So guys, we have already reached Digha station and we are heading towards the main exit gate. And while going there, this is a beautiful passage over here over the station, and it's looking very beautiful. So this is the front of the Digha station, and in front of it there is a cute indoor children playground. It's so attractive, it's so vividly colored that I can't resist myself from videographing it.
Hi guys, I've already reached Digha and there is a beautiful place in front of the station. I don't know what it is, it's looking very beautiful.
I'm really missing my childhood, guys. It's so pretty. Children are so lucky, yeah. So after leaving the station, we are now going towards the new Digha to get a good hotel, and we were heading towards it with the help of these hiring vehicles. There are lots of hiring vehicles you can find here, and my wish was to stay in that hotel Leroy, but anyhow it's too costly. So
Hello guys, I'm
let's
really
see what
exhausted
happened next.
after doing all those 4 hours journey. So I'm really exhausted and right now my father went out to find a good hotel for us. So we are just exploring this place and in front of me there are lots of food stalls over there. So I'm just trying to control myself. That's it, I'm just exploring this place which is just beside this beautiful seashore. Because of light problem I cannot focus this thing, but it's really beautiful. You can, if somebody come here, he or she can see with your eyes. So yeah, it's really beautiful. But maybe due to some light problem I can't focus these things, so I'm really sorry.
বড় ওটা কত দাম শীতল সমুদ্রের খাবে না
There's my Amushuna purchasing aloo kata for me because after doing a 4 hours journey, I am totally hungry and I'm exhausted. I need energy, guys. And wow, this is beautiful heart.
যাই হোক দেখো যদি একটা দিচ্ছিলাম অন্তত পক্ষে
It's better
10,000
to eat
পয়েন্টের
than
ব্যবসাটা
to hold
ভালো
your boyfriend's hand, right?
Hello guys, after getting rejuvenated by eating aloo kata, I am just exploring this cute little market, and there are so many small shops over there, and it's quite beautiful because it's light up and it's looking very nice. So I'm just exploring this place, and on this opposite side of this market there is beach. So that's it, and to see more of my videos, stay tuned to my channel because the upcoming videos are coming back to back. That is the end, guys.